Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my creative journal, which is my favorite planner. As you guys know, it is the Sophisticated Florals Classic Size Heavy Planner. It's not because of the planner that is my favorite, it's because of the function. So we are decorating October 24th through the 30th. Practically Halloween week, right? So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to be using the Posh Fall from Live Love Posh, and her green gray florals with all the skulls I think are stunning. So that's what we're going to be doing for Halloween and my journal. So first and foremost, let's place some flowers, and while I do that, welcome to my channel if this is your first time. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, I appreciate you so much. So here we go. First flower down. It is the corner piece, and I love that she makes corner pieces because it makes my life easier and I don't have to chop stuff down. So that helps, right? It's going to be very simple. I'm having a pretty hard week ahead of me, so I'm going to need a lot of journaling. I already know it is a sort of a therapy for me, so I write all of my grievances in here as well as all the good stuff. So if you are like me, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about, and this gives me another planner to decorate. So nothing negative here. I am loving all of these florals, so I am pulling them out of here, and look how beautiful, like how gorgeous is this? Like, geez, I would even like these florals for St. Patty's Day, not necessarily for Halloween because I would need to remove all of the cobwebs from it, but it does remind me of like a St. Patty's Day for some reason. Okay, let's add this really gorgeous dark pumpkin. I am in love with these stickers. You guys, I'm not sure if you are too. This plan with me will be quick because, like I said, I'm not going to be putting too many stickers down, and I'm going to be leaving lots of room to write. I do use colorful pens in this planner, surprise surprise, so it's very fun. I'm going to be using probably green and gray in here to match the spread. I'm gonna try to find the matching green, so I'm gonna have a lot of fun, I already know. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna remove the background foil because these stickers are kind of hard to grab. I think if I remove the backing, it might be slightly easier to get all the other stickers because I'm having a very hard time gripping them for some reason. They are beautiful foil and thin. I don't know if it's because my tweezers are like square at the end. Maybe I should get pointy ones. I don't know, but I'm suspecting that might be the case. But I do love my mint green tweezers for some reason, and I can't seem to give them up, so I will continue using those. And now without the backing, it is like 1,000 times easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the correction tape again to remove the line and place this flower down. Look how beautiful, you guys. Okay, the ones without like the webs and stuff, I might use them seriously in my St. Patty's Day spread, because why not? Like, why not? It is gorgeous. So I still need quite a few decorations because this feels very bare. I don't want it that bare. I mean, I do want it kind of bare, but not that bare. So I'm gonna keep going for a little bit, and then when I feel like it's right, we will stop. I just pulled the whole sheet out. Oh well, this happens sometimes. Hopefully I'll be able to use the whole sheet without thinking it's too much, so I won't have to worry about loose sheets in a book. I do pull my sheets once in a while, not very often, but once in a while I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this witch hat with flowers in the middle of the sidebar. I'm not even worrying about the nude color on top. I think that works just fine. I don't really mind that, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this flower. You guys, in November I'm going to be doing a tour of my office. I hope you guys are excited. I am so excited to show you guys how I organize my office. So either November or December, actually, I'm going to be doing this. I'm adding the final touches and final furniture. I think I am all set when it comes to my office. I'll be able to show you. It's not perfect, and it's not going to be, because this is a working space where my needs change and my collection changes, right? When we add and buy new stickers, which I do on a regular basis, as you guys see from my hauls, it is quite a significant collection. It changes so often, so it'll never be perfect, but I will share with you what I have, and maybe it will give you some ideas. My room is not large. The reason why I chose this is because in front of my desk I have a huge window. So if you guys want to see it, let me know and I will start working on it. I mean, my final furniture will be going in early November, and then I have to reorganize everything and I'll be ready to go. So yeah. And now the final pieces of this spread. I don't think I'm going to be doing much more outside of this, so maybe a couple more pieces and we'll be done. Look how pretty this is. Okay, I'm loving this. I'm loving the green. I'm loving the gray. It's definitely a very like sophisticated Halloween. Also, what are you guys doing for Halloween? Are you dressing up? Are you going to a party? So Alec and I are going out, and we are going to be the s'mores. So I'm the chocolate, he's the marshmallow, and that's kind of what we're doing. I think it's so fun. I was never allowed to dress up as a kid growing up Catholic, so the minute I could, I did, and to this day I'm having so much fun. So I can't wait. Let me know what you guys are doing. I'm always curious, and I think I am done. What do you guys think? What do you think about the spread? What do you think of all of these colors and how I laid it out? Once I write in it, I think it will make way more sense about this layout, and I think that's it. But I'm gonna pop this back into my planner. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for spending some time with me, and I'll see you guys very soon for another Plan With Me. Happy Halloween! Bye!